You know, I don't see the sense of running behind a man if he don't want you. I don't see the sense of running behind a man, spending your money on him and running behind him if he don't want you. Okay, if a man don't want you, just don't want you. And one thing I know, money cannot buy love.
Exactly. Money can't buy
Money
love.
cannot buy love.
Can't buy love.
And a lot of people get messed up because of that, because they think that their money can buy love.
Yeah, money can't buy
You know,
love.
a man could give you $1 million. If you just don't like him, you just don't like him, and it's nothing he can do for you.
Nothing can do for you. You can't be $1 million if you don't like it, just don't like it. And then done. Period. You don't. I want to tell me back home. If you don't have no feeling for the man, you just have no feeling for the man. Don't care what you give up. You have no feeling for him, you don't have no feeling for him. You can't buy a feeling.
But some men, they think that, you know, you're looking for sex.
No, you can't buy a feeling.
Especially if it's a man, let me say something, especially if it's a man that already married and he live home with his wife and he have a family. What could he really want from you? What he expect from you? If a man like that you go and been with, you dating or seen him or anything like that, and you found out that he have a wife and he lies to you, I mean, how good would you feel about it? You're not gonna feel good about someone have a wife and lying to you that they're not married, and you know they got a wife. And then away from that, when you found that out and he get back to his wife, he still expect to be with you. But not just that. When they come to you, they're looking for marriage sex. And I don't understand, if a man is a sugar daddy, why the fuck would he want marital sex from you? If you're giving a woman money or you're talking to her, she can be looking at you as no good person. Because if you're married or you're cheating on your wife, what good person are you? That's a woman that you've been with and have kids with. So if you come to her that you don't have no kids with her or nothing with her, and you could do that a woman you live with, what kind of loving relationship are you looking from that woman? What are you looking for that woman? That is telling that woman that you're not a good person. Especially if you're talking bad about your wife, that she's over fat, she's ugly and all this kind of thing. But you don't want an ex-man to rest his hands on her. You don't want a man to touch her. But you want to have another woman. You want to have another woman to have sex with, to fulfill your fantasy, your dream, your freakiness or whatever, your fantasy or where you want to dream. You want a woman to satisfy your fucking ego. And sex with her and give you this and skin out back way and skin out front way and you, and probably want a woman to have unprotected sex with you. You probably want a woman to take off condom and suck your dick. You probably all these nasty things. Because some of your men have no respect for women. And when a man think about to take him nasty dick and stick on your throat and want to do these things about you, don't know nothing about it, that's disrespecting you. Because any decent man now go still go to a man and tell about he want blowjob and put him out on a man. That's not a decent woman. Blowjob wasn't in no book. Second pussy was in no book. Back where I come from in Jamaica in the bush, we used to grow up normal life. We not about no sucking this and no sucking that and all kind of problem. But some of these men, they come to these women with these things because they're contracted, they're making a little money. They feel because I'm a contractor, I'm making a little money. I drive in a little vehicle, you know. I can pick up this woman, I can dump her, I can pick up. Married men who go around and having sex with women are the most dangerous motherfucking men. Those are fucking death threats. Those married men that going around and have sex with women are death threats. Because them drive around and make a little job, make money and picking up woman and picking up and going home. Then can't carry AIDS around, come give you. And if a man decide he married and cheat on his wife and come to you, I know you alone him a go come to. And money he must spend. Just like when see and one pussy friend, see one next one look good, he want pussy friend her, him still go do the same thing. But when you're talking to them, they will give you anything you want at first. If you tell them, say, look, now I want to go get me ear and I want to go shopping, bam, you get it done. Because you want to hold in that cobweb. He wants to get you in that cobweb. So he could try to control you. So he can't want to come in your yard, come sleep, you want what you're going to act like, say, yeah, I'm wife. You know, once you know, man, the man talk to you, you're not supposed to go on with a life for yourself. Because I expect you should get married and have a future like him. He wanted to stay around to be some servant to him and slavery and sexual slavery to him. And when he get used to you, he would not spend no money like he used to on you anymore. He don't give a damn where you is. He do not spend that money anymore. Because if he knew he could have access to you without spending that money, why should he? If a telephone person, a telephone company cut the telephone because they didn't pay the bill, you have no access. But if you just keep talking to that man, he always have access to you, so you don't have to pay the bill. A lot of women have those problems. They come, and when they come, they sit around and listen to men with all the foolishness, all the brainwashing, and think it's consciousness. When it's brainwashing, when a man want to scream at you, loud at you, cuss you down to the lowest, but he want to sleep with you, he want to control you, your mind and your body. So whatever he says, fucking go, you should be afraid of him. Do not let nobody, old papa, old man come deal with you like that. Most of them is devil. When a man can't satisfy him married and him a run around, him and his wife a cuss him, a beat his wife in the house every day. It can't be in a good relationship, but the same thing I bring to you outside. It's the same thing he bringing to you outside. And why you think he's so miserable? Why you think he's so miserable? Why you think he start cheating on his house? Because he can control her like that. She wasn't allowed beating anymore. So him come outside to find somebody when he can do it too, because that's his sickness. He has a problem. The problem is control freak. That's what it is.